right now we out here on the boat. We chilling here at the Taste of Omaha. I got my man right there. He's taking that. You know, she took our pictures. She got a nice shirt on. You know, you Iowa State Cyclone fans. What's up, babe? What you got to say?
This is very relaxing.
We got my main man Donald over there. Look at Donald. He's chilling in his fam. Look at them. Yeah, we chilling. We chilling over here at the Taste. Having a good time. Oh, she's a little precious little girl. Look at her waving. She's adorable. Hey, relax over there, buddy. Oh, look at this. You can't beat Omaha, Nebraska. No place like home. No place like home. Got the band out there. You see our skyline. We don't have much of a skyline over here, but you know, it works. Come on, can you get me on the camera?
Sure.
So as I was saying, you know, I was just on the, I was taking the video. Now the video is being taken of me. You know, and all I gotta say is this: I'm just enjoying this beautiful Saturday, you know, afternoon with my wife. You know, got a nice little day, nice cool little breeze. I miss the Philippines, but right now you can't beat this. What a beautiful day. Taste of Omaha, baby. Represent Omaha, Nebraska.